السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله وعلى آله وصحبه ومن والاه. So today in Fiqh we'll be treating another chapter under the book of purification under Kitab al-Tahara. So the chapter that we'll be treating is the Islamic rulings of vessels and the clothes of the disbelievers, of the infidels. What are the Islamic rulings regarding the vessels that you can use as a mu'min or believer, and also what are the Islamic rulings concerning the clothes or the textiles of the disbelievers. First of all, let's define what we mean by al-awani. هي الأوعية التي يحفظ فيها الماء وغيره سواء كانت من الحديد أو الخشب أو الجلود أو غير ذلك. Vessels are the containers in which water and other things are kept in, whether they are made of iron, wood, leather, or any other material. So this is what we call al-awani. Now, what is the Islamic rulings? They said al-aslu fiha al-ibaha فيباح استعمال واتخاذ كل إناء طائر ما عدا نوعين. So the initial verdict for all this kind of stuff is what is permissibility. It is permissible for us to use, and since they are clean and they are pure, so we can use them. So except in two places. That means we have two things, we have two conditions in which these things are what are impermissible for us what to take use of them. The first one, al-ina'ul muharram, forbidden vessel. So what is this forbidden, or what are these forbidden vessels? Ina'ul dhahab wal fidda, والإناء الذي فيه ذهب أو فضة طلاء أو تمويها أو غير ذلك من أنواع جعل الذهب والفضة في الإناء ما عدا اليسيرة من الفضة تجعل في الإناء للحاجة إلى إصلاحه. The said vessels that are made of gold or silver, or any vessel containing gold or silver, whether the silver are plated there or they are inlaid there in any way that that container or that vessel is what is contained of silver or gold. So you can't use this kind of vessels when they are containing gold or silver, except for a small amount of silver that is used for necessity. So if we use silver, not gold but silver, if we use a small amount of silver out of necessity, then it is what is it is permissible. Maybe we want to repair the vessel with that small amount of silver, then we can use. That is um, for the silver. But for gold, even if you want to use it for anything like repairing or something, you can't use. Be it small, be it large or big one, you can't use. So it is impermissible for us to what to use vessels that are made up of gold or silver. So this is the dalil. Prophet Muhammad ﷺ says that لا تشربوا في آنية الذهب والفضة ولا تأكلوا في صحافها فإنها لهم في الدنيا ولكم في الآخرة. Prophet says that uh, we should do not drink from vessels of gold and silver, and do not eat from their plate, for they are for them, that is, disbelievers in this world, and for you, that is, we believers in the hereafter. This hadith is narrated by Al-Jama'ah, that is, the six major hadith collections. There is another dalil from Prophet Muhammad sallallahu regarding impermissibility of vessels that are made up of gold or silver. So Prophet says here that الذي يشرب في آنية الفضة إنما يجرجر في بطنه نار جهنم متفق عليه. Whoever drinks from a vessel of silver is only swallowing into his belly the fire of hell. متفق عليه. This hadith is agreed upon. That is, it is collected by Al-Bukhari and Muslim. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh.